Amy, who's on your sock?
Peppa Pig.
What does Peppa Pig say? Amy, who loves you? Amy, who loves you? Granda and Nana. And what about Mommy and Daddy? Do you love Mommy? Yeah. Do you love Daddy? Do you love Bunny? Where's Bunny? In bed. You gonna bring Bunny here? You got brown bunny? Are the other bunnies in bed?
Yeah.
You just leave them in bed. You really want pink bunny? Do you want me to get pink bunny for you? But pink bunny's sleeping. You want me to get it for you? Okay. I got you pink bunny. I got you pink bunny. You've got brown bunny. And you've got pink bunny. Uh-oh. Amy, where's Daddy? Why are you crying? Are you frustrated? You've got pink bunny. Uh-oh. Did you bump your head? Did you bump your head? Do you want me to kiss it?
Yeah.
Come over here and I'll kiss your head for you. I'll kiss it.